Hello, Chef here with another video. I've got a special piece of beef here I wanted to share with you. This is a Black Angus bottom round roast, and I'm going to show you why I selected this particular piece of beef. Subscribe right here, follow along, search the videos, all kinds of great beef recipes, steak recipes, vegetarian, vegan, soup, salad, entree, vegetable starch, dessert, everything once you subscribe right here. Okay, so I was venturing my way through the butcher shop and I selected this piece of beef because it's really nice what it's got going on here. First of all, the size, the shape was what I was looking for. It's a large piece of round, and the marbling. You can see right through the plastic it's got some really nice small specks or flecks of the fat, but not much. That's what I like. I don't notice any silver skin. We're going to see once I open it if there's any butcher tricks in here. It feels like just plastic, and there is quite a bit of blood in here. No big deal. Blood shouldn't bother you, but you're paying for it. Let's see what we got here. Black Angus beef bottom round roast, $18.01. $4.69 a pound. I like it. However, $4.69 a pound is not the true price paid. We're going to weigh out the blood and the plastic and figure out what this actually costs. However, I do believe it's still a very good deal. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Okay, throughout this video I'll be using this Japanese Kasumi titanium Damascus knife. If you want to learn more about that, check out your sponsor. They got these Japanese knives in stock. They import them. First thing I want to do is not make a mess all over my beautiful butcher block. You can see this here. This is a maple end grain. I love this block. So to keep this block nice, I don't want the blood all over the place. Therefore, I'll be using a mixing bowl. And I want to show you what's in the package. Let's take a look. Ooh. Get all this out of here. Wow. There's a solid half cup of blood there. 4 ounces. Plus the plastic. I'm guessing 6 ounces. There's the piece of beef. It's looking pretty good. There was a butcher trick. We've got the fat cap on the bottom of the package, which was below this black plastic. Let's weigh this. I'll be right back and tell you the results. Okay, and here we have it, a beautiful piece of meat. So you can see that fat cap is pretty serious. So even though the label said $4.69 a pound, once I remove some of this fat, plus the 4 ounces of blood and plastic, I'm actually paying about $5.50 a pound. Still a pretty good deal. Okay, beautiful piece of meat. Now let's see how much fat cap there is actually on here. Oh, not only the fat cap, after I get into this I can see there's some silver skin here. That stuff is unedible. So you want to remove the silver skin. That was 5 ounces of scrap I took off, so the real price is actually over $5 a pound. Still a good deal. Please subscribe, watch the next video. In the next video I'll be utilizing this beef into making a stew. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, the butcher block is over 10 years old. This is end grain maple. You simply wipe it off with a rag or towel and you're good to go. This thing gets heavy use. I love it. It's the other part of cooking. Your knife touches the butcher block, and when you're moving along like this, it's got a nice sound and feel, and it works beautifully, kills bacteria and germs, and doesn't hurt the edge of the knife. I'll be back. My spatula, well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.